Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow. And today's topic is we will create a IAM role and we'll see more about IAM things. Okay. Before starting, this is my YouTube channel. You can follow, you can subscribe here. This is my portfolio. You can check it out. And this is my LinkedIn. You can follow me. And this is my GitHub profile. You can follow me here as well. So let's get back to our topic. So today's topic is IAM. We'll see how to create IAM. Okay, with the best practices, we'll set the multi-factor authentication. So basically, what happened, like if I click here, no, not here. User, we have a user and we have one device. Okay, and then you will able to log in it here. Then you will able to log in. So what we do, user know the password. Okay, user know the password, and you have a device which is act as a MFA, multi-factor authentication. Okay, so you own the password and you have a own device. So if anything goes wrong with your password, then at least you have own device. Via with MFA you are able to log in. So for the security, like extra layer of security, you can say. Okay, so what we'll see today, we will create a IAM role. We will log in with the IAM and we'll see the best practices and all. Okay, as of now we have a 3 users. Okay, and we'll go to users. Okay, and yesterday we saw we can create a IAM user with a group as well, and with the individual as well, like HR we have now, which is not belong to any group and anything. So we'll do that one. You can edit as per need. Okay, create a user. We'll give here AWS learning learning AWS learning. Okay, DevOps. Okay, and we'll provide the user access to AWS management console, which is optional but we'll give. Okay, and let's go for the auto generated password, and user must create a new password at the sign in. Okay, so that's our best practice. Okay, as of now we'll get the auto generated password, and later we'll get later we need to set the new password, which is a good option by the way, or else you can set the custom password. So basically in company wise you will get the password by the admin or any system team. That's also good. Let's attach via group. Also you can attach a policy. If you have a group level policies, you can attach, or else you can attach the policy directly. Okay, and we'll give a full access. Okay, admin access. So you can see here we have administrator access. From going forward we will use this like we will try to use this IAM. Okay, but we'll see. As of now I'm giving administrator access, and create a next. Okay, so you can add tag user, and it's learning. You can add multiple tags. Okay, from which department, what is doing and all, you can add it. So create user. We'll wait for a minute. So here is your console. Okay, and here is the IAM user, and here is a password. Okay, and what you can do, download as a CSV file for the safety. uh, Let me open this one. uh, might be I will blur this section because I'm not going to share this password and all. Okay, so as of now we have created one user, and if we go to IAM and under the user section we will have one more user, which is AWS learning DevOps. Okay, if you want to delete this one, okay, let me delete this. I don't want. Okay, one or more user have an active key. Okay, we'll see there. We'll see later. As of now I'm not going to delete. uh, okay. Okay, so let me log out from here, and we'll log in via a IAM role, whatever we saw here. Okay, open. This is our link. Copy it, and we'll open in a new tab. Okay, see here. Cloud engineer Rakesh, account IG. Okay, username will have DevOps. Okay, this is not by the default. Okay, username will be the this AWS learning. Okay, and the password will be no worry, without before publishing this video I'm going to delete this user, so no worries, and we'll sign in. Okay, as of now while creating we have set whenever the user will log in we need to set the new password. Okay, okay, we'll paste it the old password, new password. Okay, so matches, confirm password change, continue to sign in, continue to sign in, we need to sign in. Okay, now we are in a fresh IAM user role. Okay, see here for the first time if you log in any, so you will see like this. Okay, as of now, so that is how you can create an IAM user and you can log in. So as of now we saw this thing, we have created IAM, okay, with the password. Now we need to set the MFA, okay, and then we'll try to log in. So to set the MFA, IAM, we'll go to IAM, okay, under user, this is, go to security credentials, okay, and if you go to under security credentials, you can see here, manage console access, assign MFA device, create access key. We'll see later what is this access key means actually. Okay, and what is the use of this access key, my bad. Uh, how to generate an API key and all. As of now, we will assign the MFA device, assign an MFA device and give mm, 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 AWS learning MFA, and we have a multiple option for the MFA. Okay, and one is Google Authenticator. If you search Google Authenticator, okay, uh, you will get here Google Authenticator. Okay, you can download in your device, and apart from that we have Amazon Authenticator also, but you can go with this one, Google Authenticator and all. It will be easy. Okay, so Authenticator app, we have a hard token. So these are the way of doing the MFA devices. Okay, you can set the passkey, security, authentication app, and hardware TOTP. Okay, we'll go to the Authenticator app and click on next. Okay, and you will get one QR code here. Okay, just scan this one. Uh, yes, and when you open your Authenticator, just you need to scan. Okay, but I can't show you my devices. Okay, but it's there. So for the first time if you do, you need to give OTP kind of thing for the 2 times. So you need to wait for the 30 seconds for the next MFA for the security purpose only. And as of now I'm just waiting. Now we'll give the second one, 357646, and add MFA. Now we have added one MFA. Okay, you can see virtual and all, timing and all. So what we'll do now, MFA is assigned. We will log out and we'll see. Sign out. Okay. Again, we'll log in and see. Without MFA, you can't log in. By the way, that's the simple fundamental of MFA. So this is our username, AWS Learning DevOps, and here is a password. Sign in. Then you will get the MFA option. You need to enter. Once you enter, then you are able to log in. Without that, you can't log in. So I have given the MFA. Now we are in our new IAM user role. Okay, now we are using the new account. Okay, you can see here current ID IAM user role, AWS Learning DevOps. So that's what IAM and how you can create and how to access. Okay, so this is what we saw, practical example of IAM role and how to add a MFA into that user. So this is the end of the video. We'll see next topic is EC2 instance, and see you in the next video. Before closing, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We have a part 7. we have till now 6 videos are there. This is my portfolio, LinkedIn, GitHub. You can follow me anywhere and reach out to me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.